All right, my fellow stock jobbers. Not too much to look at today. Market's been pretty quiet. The term stock jobber used to mean market maker back in the old days, like the 16 or 1700s. And when the United States was formed and the Jeffersonians and the farmers didn't understand the stock market, they would call people stock jobbers as an insult. But that was 250 years ago. And obviously, the capitalist system is the best system. So anyway, here's SPY today. It really just didn't do anything. Short term, if you're a short term trader, I'd be looking right down here. That's probably 380. Short term, looking up here, maybe 386, 87. Longer term, there tends to be support at former support levels. All right. And this is the 372 level. And longer term, there usually is resistance at former support levels, and that's because of buyer's remorse. Remember, when we look at a chart, we're not just looking at astrology, we're looking at human psychology. And that might sound kind of silly, but let me explain it. Notice how's their support here, right? Market's going lower. Sellers can't move all their stock. They got to offer it at a discount or sell it at a discount. When we get to support, the tide turns and there's more demand than there is supply, and the market reverses. Now, a lot of the investors who bought SPY here regret to do so once it goes lower, and a lot of them tell themselves, hey, if I can get out of this for break even, I'm going to. So they place their sell orders at the same level they had their buy order at. So support can return into resistance if enough remorseful buyers are placing buy orders. Now we have the opposite. Well, we had the opposite. We're below now, but just as a lesson. Resistance can become support, and this is because of seller's remorse. People sell, goes lower. A lot of these investors regret selling. They decide that they want to buy their shares back, but they're only going to do so if they get it for the same price they paid. And if there's enough of these remorseful sellers placing buy orders, the level that was resistance can turn into support. Another lesson here is how what we call market memory. Sometimes a resistance or support level can hang intact for a while. And this is, it's pretty obvious if you know where the important levels are, how to profit, because that's usually where the market turns. But anyway, going back to this, pretty quiet day. Not too much dramatic action here. So that's it. All right, fellow stock jobbers, I'll speak with you soon.